What's up YouTube? So in my last video I've used AI to set up the Dark Venus Expert Advisor from the MetaTrader. I've set it up on the demo account. The leverage is 100. I've mentioned everything in the pinned comment, and I had it run for 1 week and it opened some trades, and in this video we'll see what kind of trades it made for us. So today is Monday, June 16th. I have the file for the setup if you're interested down in the pinned comment as well, so be sure to check that out. This will be a short video. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump on my computer and let's see what's what. Anyway, this is my chart. As you can see, some of the positions were already executed. It's also visible on the screen that I'm experiencing some type of float right here. I've been trading on the 15-minute time frame on the Euro GBP. If I zoom this chart out on the 4-hour time frame, this is the past week. As you can see, all the trades were made in this time frame, and over the past week we've seen kind of a sideways market, so enough trades were made. Other than 2 of the floating positions, I had 6 trades closed. One thing I really dislike about these grid bots, because sometimes they open both buy and sell positions, so you're kind of getting stuck out there. But as you can see, visible in this chart, the dynamic of the sideways market on this pair is not universal. But anyway, let's see what kind of trades this bot closed. Now, if I scroll this up a bit and let's open the history, these are all the trades that were closed by this expert advisor. As you can see from the column of the comments, Dark Venus executed all of these trades, and at least regarding all the closed trades, we are on the 100% win ratio. One thing left to settle is to have these floating positions to work themselves out. Now, one would consider this week a huge success, but as far as I'm concerned, this is only the first week, so we cannot say anything about it. Usually the first week is always the most successful in my own experience. But anyway, I want to run this expert advisor for at least a month or 2, at least until this demo account closes, and after that amount of time we can make some conclusions on it. Remember guys, trading is risky, and always stake the capital that you can afford to lose. But from what I've seen with these expert advisors, the math is all about your buffer size of the positions against your capital, so you gotta let your positions breathe a bit against your capital in order to have the natural swings of the market to work themselves out. That is of course not to say that you should not be using the stop losses. Always use your risk mitigation strategies wherever those may be. Anyway guys, this is pretty short video. I don't want to overextend it. Hope you've liked it. If you have interest in this kind of stuff, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. That means a lot. I will see you next week. Hopefully the next week will also be pretty successful. See you then. Bye.